Hello friends and fellow gardeners.
My first plant is rosemary, which has a pleasant smell for us human beings, but a deterrent to mosquitoes. The second one is the lemongrass. Lemongrass has strong aroma that masks the smells given off by humans. The leaves and the beautiful flowers of marigold give a strong scent, repelling mosquitoes and other insects. The bee balm, aside from attracting pollinators, also repel mosquitoes when the flowers bloom, giving off a strong incense-like odor that masks the smells given off by humans. Number 5. Lavender has a strong fragrant scent that repels mosquitoes. 6. Catnip has nepetalactone, which is a good mosquito repellent. Catnips give a euphoric effect in cats. Number 7. Aside from a strong scent, basil contains eucalypto, a compound that repels mosquitoes. 8. Lemon balm, which belongs to the mint family, that deters mosquitoes and other pests. My 9 and 10 are eucalyptus and peppermint oil. You have to test the essential oil if you are allergic or not by putting a small quantity on your inner rest. With regards to the plants, by burning the fresh or dried leaves, release a smoke that the mosquitoes dislike. Another way to use is by crushing the fresh leaves and rubbing it on the clothes or skin to make a repellent effects. I hope you like my video and support my channel by subscribing. Have a wonderful day.